Hey guys, I'm Henry. One day our hero went to the farm. There were a lot of animals on the farm. There was a dog in a pink dress. A pink piglet. A black cat. The yellow bunny. And a jolly turkey. See you soon!